Welcome to the Advanced Guide to BMO Travel Rewards, where we will walk you through the process of maximizing your travel rewards and getting the most out of your BMO credit card. First, let's start with the basics. BMO Travel Rewards is a program offered by the Bank of Montreal that allows you to earn points on your credit card purchases, which can be redeemed for travel-related expenses such as flights, hotels, and car rentals. To get started, you need to understand how the rewards system works. You earn points on every purchase you make with your BMO credit card, and the number of points you earn per dollar spent varies depending on the type of card you have. For example, if you have the BMO World Elite MasterCard, you earn 3 points per dollar spent on travel purchases, 2 points per dollar spent on dining purchases, and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for travel rewards, such as booking a flight or hotel stay, or even redeeming for travel-related expenses like travel insurance or airport lounge access. To maximize your travel rewards, it's essential to understand the redemption process. BMO uses a fixed rewards chart, which means that the number of points required to redeem for a specific travel reward is fixed and does not vary depending on the time of year or demand. For instance, if you want to redeem your points for a flight, you can use the BMO Rewards calculator to determine how many points you need to redeem for a specific flight. The calculator will give you an estimate of the number of points required based on the flight details and travel dates. To get the most out of your BMO travel rewards, it's crucial to have a strategy in place. Consider your travel goals and plan your redemptions accordingly. If you want to redeem your points for a specific flight or hotel stay, make sure to book in advance to ensure availability. Additionally, consider transferring your points to partner airlines or hotels. BMO has partnerships with several airlines and hotels, which allows you to transfer your points to their loyalty programs. This can be a great way to maximize your rewards, especially if you have a specific airline or hotel in mind. In conclusion, the key to maximizing your BMO travel rewards is to understand the rewards system, plan your redemptions strategically, and take advantage of the transfer partnerships. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your BMO credit card and enjoy your travel rewards.